So it was a bit of a random one, but I thought I'd share my my discovery with the two brands I use the most, which is Bosch and Festool. I'm not sure if other brands do that as well, but it's worth mentioning that anything that's for Bosch is red, and for Festool is green. Anything that's green on Festool has an action to it, so it's either adjustable or has an action, a useful action to it. So some of the most obvious ones, obviously, like trigger buttons like this, on the drill like this, are really obvious. But sometimes there are some adjustments that you might not know exist. Like on a Festool, for instance, this is to adjust the friction on the rail itself. So the tighter if you tighten it, if you like, it's going to go really tight on the rail, and the other way around is going to get loose. So you can adjust the side movements so it's nice and tight. So not too tight so you can't move the machine, but not too loose so it doesn't move side to side. And things like speed dials like this one, for instance. So it's always worth checking. If you see something on Festool that's green and you don't know what it does, it's probably worth checking on the manual or try it out and see what it actually does. Same with Bosch. On the chop saw, there is small red things. They're either moving parts, they're either like locking systems or adjustment systems. Even the fence itself here is red, and this is adjustable as well. There are like Allen key bolts and stuff, so you can actually just fine tune the groove on the fence here. So yeah, it's worth mentioning if you own any of those machines. If you see something that's a specific color, it does something. So yeah, check it out.